Man, you're disgusting.
Yeah. Oh, my feet are killing me.
Yeah, man, I can't stand it.
I get flipped off one more time. Ugh. You heard the new thing they want us to do now, huh?
What's that?
Huh. Well, they're doing this big buy one, get one free car wash thing they're promoting. Well, they want either you or me to get in the back of a truck and ride through the car wash.
Why?
So everybody can hee hee ha 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 laugh.
Are you serious?
Yes!
Man, I'm not. That's dumb.
I told them you'd be happy to do it.
Why?
Because you're the low man on the totem pole.
Oh.
Tell you what, I'm a nice guy, treat you right, we'll do rock, paper, scissors for you.
All right.